Good morning, students. Today we also deal about the same topic what we deal yesterday, that is transcription. And in today's topic we deal about directly how the process of transcription or how the mechanism of transcription occurs. In the previous class we have already know that there are three type of RNA polymerase in eukaryotes and there are one type of RNA polymerase in prokaryote. We must also know that in this transcription process there is a rho factor which is also known as termination factor, which is responsible for what? Termination of the or stopping of the transcription process. So now let's come to the process, that is transcription process, that is process of transcription. Okay, now this process of transcription includes several steps. The first is activation of ribonucleotide. First step is activation of ribonucleotide. Activation of ribonucleotide. देखो इसमें क्या होगा. 4 types of ribonucleotide. 4 types of ribonucleotide are adenosine monophosphate. Okay, guanosine monophosphate, uridine monophosphate, and cytosine monophosphate. Okay, and these all, that is adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, uridine and cytosine monophosphate, are in inactivated stage. Inactivated state. Okay, now we have to activate this, and how we activate this, let's come. Okay, now these nucleotides are activated through phosphorylation. All these nucleotides are activated through phosphorylation by using the enzyme phosphorylase. Okay, all these enzymes are activated by using the enzyme phosphorylase. 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 And this helps in the transfer of the enzyme into another, that is adenosine triphosphate, guanosine triphosphate, uridine triphosphate, and cytosine triphosphate. Now this all the triphosphate ribonucleotide are activated, and this conversion of inactivated monophosphate into triphosphate is through an enzyme called phosphorylation, and this reaction is called phosphorylation. Phosphorylation. It is called phosphorylation. Okay. Now let's come to the second. DNA template. DNA template. What is DNA template? We have already gone through it. The DNA chain which have a polarity of 3 to 5 dash is called a DNA template. But today we also know that on specific signals, on specific signal segments of DNA, on specific signal segments of DNA corresponding to one or more cistron, corresponding to one or more cistron become, corresponding to one or more cistron become depressed, and ready to transcribe, on specific signal segment of DNA corresponding to one or more cistron become depressed and ready to transcribe. Now each DNA segment, जिसको हम टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड बोल रहे हैं, each DNA segment, ठीक है, undergoing ट्रांसक्रिप्शन है। क्या क्या होगा इसमें? पहला प्रोमोटर रीजन, इनिशिएटर रीजन, कोडिंग रीजन, एंड टर्मिनेटर region. Each DNA segment undergoing transcription have promoter region, initiator region, coding region, and terminator region. Now, what is the significance of promoter region? A promoter region has a site for RNA polymerase recognition and RNA polymerase binding. A promoter region has एक तरफ RNA polymerase recognition site, RNA polymerase recognition site, दूसरे तरफ RNA polymerase बाइंडिंग साइट। ठीक है, ये हो गया प्रोमोटर रीजन का काम। अब चेन ओपनिंग ऑकर एट और रीजन, क्योंकि इनिशिएशन साइट है ना जी, जहां स्टार्ट होगा, रीजन ऑक्युपाइड बाय, इसको कौन ऑक्युपाई कर रहा है? टाटा बॉक्स, इसको हम बोलते हैं TATAG, ऑक्युपाइड बाय टाटा। ठीक है, molecule in most prokaryotic enzyme. Molecule in most prokaryotic enzyme. Now, to unwind the DNA chain so that transcription can occur, we require unwindase and SSB, that is single stranded binding protein. Enzyme required are unwindase and SSB protein, that is single stranded binding protein. Okay, ये हो गया DNA template. Now next is base pairing. Okay, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया कि स्पेसिफिक सिग्नल के बाद जो DNA का टेम्पलेट है correspond to one or more cistron. What are cistron? These are segment of DNA which code for polypeptide. Polypeptide means protein chain. ठीक है, ready to transcribe. और जो भी ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल सेगमेंट होगा उसमें प्रोमोटर, इनिशिएटर, कोडिंग और टर्मिनेटर रीजन होगा. Third is base pairing. Base pairing. ओके, जब तक बेस पेयरिंग नहीं होगा डीएनए के टेम्पलेट से आरएनए का फॉर्मेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. व्हाट इज बेस पेयरिंग? राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट, ribonucleotide triphosphate. Okay, ribonucleotide triphosphate present in the ribonucleotide triphosphate present in the surrounding medium. Ribonucleotide triphosphate present in the surrounding medium comes to lie opposite the nitrogenous bases of template DNA. ठीक है, ribonucleotide triphosphate, which are the activated form of ribonucleotide, which is present in the surrounding medium, that is cytoplasm, come to lie opposite the nitrogenous bases of template DNA. Now, during this pairing, there is a chemical mismatch because the ribonucleotide which is present in the DNA strand are monophosphate, and after activation this ribonucleotide become triphosphate. Now through the enzyme pyrophosphatase, ठीक है, through the enzyme called pyrophosphatase, this extra phosphate group is removed from the ribonucleotide. क्या होगा? A pyrophosphate is released from each ribonucleotide. A pyrophosphate is released from each ribonucleotide triphosphate. A pyrophosphate is released from each राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट टू फॉर्म क्या बनाएगा, फिर से दोबारा राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड, ओके। ठीक है, दिस, और हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, एंजाइम पायरोफॉस्फेटेज में हो रहा है। ठीक है, इट इज परफॉर्म बाय द एंजाइम पायरोफॉस्फेटेज and in this process it released energy, है ना। सबसे पहले राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट, एंजाइम पायरोफॉस्फेटेज क्या फॉर्म करेगा, राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड प्लस inorganic phosphate। Okay, now the next phase is chain formation. Now here comes the role of RNA polymerase enzyme, chain formation। ठीक है, what is chain formation? RNA polymerase, that is DNA dependent RNA polymerase, move along the DNA template causing elongation of RNA chain। RNA polymerase move along the DNA template, ठीक है, causing elongation of RNA chain, at the rate of 30 nucleotide per second, okay। Now what happens, as the chain formation यानी RNA chain formation starts, the sigma factor, okay, separates from RNA polymerase। As the chain formation starts, the sigma factor separates from RNA polymerase। Now क्या होगा कि this RNA chain formation continue until and unless it reach the terminating region। टर्मिनेटिंग रीजन में रो फैक्टर होता है जो चेन रिएक्शन यानी आरएनए फॉर्मेशन को स्टॉप कर देता है। तो लिखेंगे आरएनए सिंथेसिस स्टॉप्स, आरएनए सिंथेसिस स्टॉप्स as soon as पॉलीमरेज यानी आरएनए पॉलीमरेज, ठीक है, क्या होगा, रीचेस द टर्मिनेशन रीजन। कहां पे रीच हो रहा है, रीचेस द टर्मिनेशन रीजन। रो फैक्टर फैक्टर, इसको ऐसे लिखा जाता है, इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस, इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस, रो फैक्टर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस। ठीक है, ये हो गया चेन फॉर्मेशन। ओके, अब आगे देखो, चेन फॉर्मेशन हो गया। चेन कब टूटेगा? जब वो रो फैक्टर के पास जाएगा, क्योंकि रो फैक्टर इज प्रेजेंट इन टर्मिनेटिंग रीजन। ओके, ठीक है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट, सेपरेशन ऑफ आरएनए। Next is fifth, separation of RNA from DNA. Separation of RNA. In the terminating region, rho factor is present and which has a ATPase activity, which was discovered by Robert in 1976. Rho factor has ATPase activity. Rho factor has ATPase activity. Robert, 1976. Next, it helps in release of completed RNA chain. ये RNA चेन को रिलीज करने में मदद करता है ड्यू टू इट्स ATPase एक्टिविटी, एंड दीज रिलीज्ड RNA चेन इज कॉल्ड, इसको क्या कहा जाएगा? प्राइमरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, which is non-functional, अभी एक्टिवेटेड या फंक्शनल नहीं, ठीक है। और ये प्राइमरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट फंक्शनल होगा बाय पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल चेंजेस एंड फॉर्म सेकेंडरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट। इट इज प्रोसेस्ड मतलब इसमें एक स्टेप पढ़ेंगे लास्ट में, पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल चेंजेस होगा। इट इज प्रोसेस टू फॉर्म व्हाट? प्रोसेस टू फॉर्म functional transcript, that is functional RNA। ठीक है, ये हो गया। अब जैसे ही RNA DNA से अलग होगा, दो DNA चेन को जो अलग किया था, अनविंडेज, गायरेज, SSB प्रोटीन, वो भी अलग हो जाएगा और DNA दोबारा DNA डुप्लेक्स के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट इज 6th DNA duplex formation। DNA duplex formation, इसमें क्या होगा? आफ्टर द रिलीज ऑफ primary transcript, after the release of primary transcript, the two strands of DNA, जिसमें से एक को हम टेम्पलेट, एक को कोडिंग बोले थे, the two strands of DNA establish linkage among them due to complementary base pair. ठीक है, अब क्या होगा? gyrases unwindase and single stranded binding protein are released. Gyrases, unwindase and single stranded binding protein are released. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से डीएनए डुप्लेक्स का फॉर्मेशन हो गया। और इसके बाद जो लास्ट स्टेप है दैट इज कॉल्ड पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल changes, and through this process secondary transcript is formed. ठीक है, that is functional RNA is formed, and this topic is basically I am dealing in the next class. Okay, not in the previous, sorry, in the next class. So that's all for today, my dear students. Thank you.